Let me answer your question with another question. Why would you buy a Cayman over an M2? Sure, the Cayman might be a little bit sportier, a little more nimble, a good bit lighter, but unless you're at the track every day, the M2 is overall a better car. It's more comfortable, it's got a usable trunk, it's got back seats, and honestly, it's a bit easier to handle around town. It just is. The Cayman's a great car, and I say that having driven one. I almost bought a Boxster twice at this point, almost bought a Cayman once. The M2's still a better car if you just need an actual car.
You know what they say? If young Metro don't trust you, motherfucker, you better run. Yeah.
Automotive hot takes that I don't think people are gonna like. 1. Most Porsches make terrible daily drivers, and realistically you shouldn't be getting one unless you've got another vehicle already. 2. The new Supra is better in just about every way than the old one, with the only strength the old one has over it being that it technically had 4 seats. 3. The new Corvette in just about every trim level meets all of the qualifications to be a supercar, especially if we're counting the GTR still as a supercar when the performance hasn't improved almost any since the car debuted. The respect all builds crowd doesn't make much sense. This is number 4, because I'm not going to respect it if it's just a piece of shit with very, very, very basic stuff done. And sorry, your straight piped little garbage is not a build.
Coyotes copied GTR, but that's okay.
Just tell me you don't know anything about cars. The Coyote is an improved version of the Mod Motor 4.6, hence being called a Mod Motor Mustang. There's literally nothing in common between the two motors other than the fact that they make a lot of power for what they are, and they have cylinders. If you really think the GTR had that motor setup before Ford did a completely different motor setup and you're saying they're the same, then I can tell already you know nothing. Project Car Life.
That ass, I'ma hit it strike 3. Pitch that ass, I'ma hit it right. Do it.
How Taco Bell makes you feel sometimes after you're eating. Ford Mustang GTD. I never thought I'd get to see one of these in person. Who would have ever thought that the GT3 Mustang would become a road-going car?
Now here I go again, I see crystal vision. Bad King Walker.
Just a reminder, if you ever think that you got money, you just need to see a line of a bunch of Bugatti Type 57s and you'll realize you don't.
I wasn't strong enough to save you, Mom. I wasn't strong enough. But I promise I won't fail again.
Something that will love you back. And that, my friends, is house music. It doesn't judge you, and I won't either.
Ever been punched in your motherfucking face? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Paradise on Earth.
Listen, am I dreaming?
Goes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper. Underground methods. With top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror. Better than your efforts. Pushing culture, baby, got that body you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather.
We've got Porter Robinson playing, and then a small part of a town surrounded by supercars and the other exotic cars. Am I in Forza Horizon? being a Genesis coupe, just remember you can get water in the trunk and you really don't want that. So let's make sure that none of that happened. And fuck.
No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
This part of my life is called peace.
It's hard to say what sets pulses racing the most, the performance or the looks.
Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
About time you fell in love with something that will love you back. And that, my friends, is house music. It doesn't judge you, and I won't either.